This dance is called Cha-Cha Swing. 32 count, 4 waltz. There is a restart during waltz 6 of this dance after 24 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting from left foot, step left to the side. Rock back, recover on your right. Rock, recover. Forward shuffle with your right. Forward shuffle. Step left forward, make a pivot, quarter turn to your right. And cross samba. Cross left over right. Side rock, recover. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Cross right over left. Step your left back. Hip sway, right left, right left. Step right to the side. Step left next to right and do a forward shuffle with your right. Forward shuffle. Section 2 with a count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3. Rock forward on left, recover, and a half turn shuffle to the left. Rock, recover, quarter together, quarter. Step right in front, make a pivot, quarter turn to the left with a flip and cross shuffle with the right. Cross shuffle. Section 3 with a count. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Last section. Side rock, recover. Behind side cross. Behind side cross. Hold. Ball cross. And make a quarter to your right. Step right forward. So last section with the count. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, 8. So in this dance, there is a restart during waltz 6. So I'll show you waltz 6 facing 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. At this junction, you do a restart facing 3 o'clock.